Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to look at your computer specifications in Windows 10. Really quick before the video starts, over 90% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed, so if you're part of that 90%, please consider subscribing. It's completely free, and when you do subscribe, make sure you click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Anyway, let's get started. So if you have like a PC, laptop, or any sort of computer, you may want to look at the specifications like the CPU, GPU, and stuff like that. So one option is going to Control Panel, then going to System and Security, and then going to System, and you have some specifications here like the processor, RAM, and system type, but there's not much other information. So a better alternative is going to your web browser of choice, and then searching Speccy, S-P-E-C-C-Y, and then click on this link, and then you can download the free version, or you can get the pro version. I usually just use the free version though, and click on the free download, and now it's going to download, and you're just going to install like any other program that you have. So you probably can't see what it's saying on my screen, but it's asking if I want to allow the app to make changes to my device, and I'm going to say yes. So here it is, it's installed, and I'm getting this little pop-up down here. I'm just going to say no, and I'm going to click install. And now it says the setup is completed, so I'm going to run it. So here's the actual program. And so within the program, you have a lot of different information. So you have the operating system, CPU, RAM, motherboard, graphics, storage, and more. And you can go through each of them and find some really specific information. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.